Change your iPhone boring ringtone. First open the clock, then click the alarm. Choose a favorite song as your wake-up ringtone. Shortcuts. New automation. Alarm. Existing. Run immediately. Next. Search for weather. Add text. Enter the prompt content. Add date and weather conditions. Finally, add speak text. Done. See the effect?
Good morning, sir. Today is April 20th, 2025, 11:30, 70 Fahrenheit, mostly clear. Wish you a nice day.
Go try it out. If you find it interesting, hit like.